Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equation? Solution from here. What we have here is follows. When we have a times a, which is same thing as a square. That is, here we can write it as 6 raised to power x or squared equals to 60 from here. And this also follows when we have a raised to power m or raised to power n. This same thing as a raised to power n. This here we have 6 raised to power 2x equals to 60 on this side. Next step here, we take the log on both sides. This we have log 6 raised to power 2x equals to log 60 on this side. Then we apply the power law of logarithm. When we have log n raised to power p, is same thing as p log m. This here we have 2x log 6 equals to log 60 from here. The next step here, divide both sides by log 6. Divide this side by log 6. Divide this side by log 6. As this log 6 cancel each other, we have 2x equals to log 60 over log 6. Then, next step here, can write 60 as 6 times 10. Then all we have becomes 2x equals to log 6 times 10 over log 6. Then this follows the law of logarithm. All we have log a times b. The same thing as log a plus log b. This here we have 2x equals to log 6 plus log 10 over log 6. That is from here. Separate this into two fractions. We have 2x equals to log 6 over log 6 plus log 10 over log 6. Then, next step here we have log 6 cancelled each other here. One left here, and we have 2x equals to 1 plus log 10 over log 6. Then also, next step here, you can express 10 as 2 times 5. That is, here we have 2x equals to 1 plus log 2 times 5 over log 6. Then, we apply the law of logarithm as well. We have 2x equals to 1 plus log 2 plus log 5 over log 6. That is, we separate this into two fractions. We have 2x equals to 1 plus log 2 over log 6 plus log 5 over log 6. Then, from here, we apply change of base. When we have log a over log b, this is the same thing as log a to base b. This here we have 2x equals to 1 plus log 2 base 6 plus log 5 base 6. Then we divide both sides by 2 here. That is, divide this side by 2. Also divide this side by 2. 2 cancelled each other here. We have x equals to 1 plus log 2 base 6 plus log 5 base 6 all over 2. That is, here we have the value of x in this problem. Then let's check If they satisfy this given problem, we substitute the value of x here, which is x equals to 1 plus log 2 base 6 plus log 5 base 6 all over 2. This here, all we have become 6 raised to power 1 plus log 2 base 6 plus log 5 base 6 all over 2 times also 6 raised to power 1 plus log 2 base 6 plus log 5 base 6 all over 2 is equals to 60 on this side. Then here, this follows when we have same base multiplying, that is when we have a raised to power m times same power as well, a raised to power m, this same thing as a raised to power m plus m, that's 2m. That is what we have here, follow this and become 6 raised to power 2 times 1 plus log 2 base 6 plus log 5 base 6 all over 2 is equals to 60 on this side. And this power multiplies, 2 here cancel each other. We have 6 raised to power 1 plus log 2 base 6 plus log 5 base 6 is equals to 60 on this side. We apply the law of indices here. When we have a raised to power n plus n, same thing as a raised to power n times a raised to power n. That is here we have 6 raised to power 1 times 6 raised to power log 2 base 6 times 6 raised to power log 5 base 6 is equals to 60 on this side. Then here 6 raised to power 1, that's c6, 10 times here follows when we have a raised to power log b to base a, which is equals to b. This here we have 2, 10 times 5 is equals to 60 on this side. 2 times 5, 10, and 10 times 6 equals 60, which is equals to 60 on this side. That is left hand side equals to the right hand side. And therefore, conclude that x equals to 1 plus log 2 base 6 plus log 5 base 6 all over 2 satisfy this given problem. Thank you for watching. Don't forget the steps. Subscribe for more videos and turn the notification bell. Share this video with thumbs up and put your comments. See you next class and bye for now.